Hi, friends. I can see what we're climbing straight ahead. So we're going to our first alpine lake today. Woohoo! Yeah, it's called Chicken Spring Lake. But we have to climb 1,000 feet. So today we're gonna make it to 11,600 feet elevation, which is higher than San Jacinto. This is
Also, as you can tell, the oxygen, or lack thereof, is getting to our heads.
Yeah, so as we were getting ready for this trip, I had someone ask me like, oh, do you have to prepare for the elevation? Like, how are you gonna do that? And I was like, I've never heard of anyone talk about the elevation, blah, blah, blah. Well, I can really feel it. And coming from Wisconsin, not having, too much elevation, it's taken some getting used to, but we're doing pretty good, I think. We did 17 miles yesterday. We're gonna plan on either 15 or 17 today, depending on how we feel after this climb to 11.6 thousand miles, or feet, oh my God. So yeah.
Fuck, that's a big climb to then follow up with Whitney, actually.
Why is that your go-to?
What?
Whenever I'm recording you. Alright, this tree's not alive anymore, but look how squiggly the branches are. Like, most trees grow in the most direct route, like, to the sun. This one is like, it like swirled around and like tied a knot on itself. And look at this one. And these trees are like all over. And they like twist. Hold on. Oh, there's one over here that's really twisted. Look at this one. Bizarre. Okay, we're heading this way though. Oh, you can see my shadow. Oh my God. Obnoxious. We actually have clouds today. So it's like, did we have clouds yesterday? I didn't notice
Some.
Yeah. We have a lot today though. Lots of clouds. Lots of cloud cover.
Still amazing.
We're halfway to Chicken Spring Lake, which is where we're shooting to take a break. I don't think we'll get there before lunchtime. Kyle was gonna throw a rock, and now I'm recording. He was over there just like... I wonder if that was on. Anyways, we're skipping the offshoot to Lone Pine because we packed enough food to go to Bishop. So we're missing Lone Pine on my pub crawl tour, but it's fine. Also, people had mentioned that PCT stands for the pub crawl tour, and I think it's really funny, especially since my trail name is Pub Crawl now. So this is officially my pub crawl tour. Woo! All right, here's Mount Whitney. That's what we're gonna summit tomorrow, I think. We plan on doing. At least we're pretty sure that's Mount Whitney. Either that or this is Whitney. We're not sure. It's one of these two. This one looks farther away and just as tall, so that's why we think it's that one. But I don't know. This one looks pretty tall too.
Yeah. One of them is Mount Langley, one of them is Mount Whitney.
Okay. All right, here's a better view of both of them without as much tree cover. So this one I think still has snow on it, which makes me think it's taller. Ooh, those clouds look amazing. This should say shrunken to eliminate detail, because this is the size of the gummy bear and this is the enlarged. All right, here's a 360-degree view of this meadow we're crossing. Whitney meadow and horseshoe meadow. It looked like horseshoe. Okay, over here, PCT North. This is so picturesque.
No. All right, we're at Chicken Spring Lake. We're walking down this little side trail to it. Natalie is really excited to be at this lake. She said she might go swimming, but it's pretty cold up here, so we'll see if that happens.
We're in our winter coats.
In our winter coats, yes. All right. Not sure how far this trail goes up, but there's a little rock ridge up there that I think the lake is just on the other side of. We'll soon find out. All right, here is the lake. Let's see it poking between the trees. Oh, wow, it's so magical. Got this huge mountain backdrop. Got a bunch of trees on the hill, a bunch of bushes, and we have some little beach access. It's pretty amazing. You're missing it. It's something. Wow. Oh, there's some more people over there. All right.
This is stupid. It's like snowing on me. As I was trying to take a nap, it's like hail.
Oh, it's just like, you know.
Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. This was a beautiful oasis. That was too cold to swim in, and I'm a little sad about it. How'd you enjoy it?
Washing my legs.
Oh yeah, look at his clean legs. Ooh, they're shiny even.
Shiny? It's all the minerals in the
Look
water.
at mine are dusty and peeling. Good.
Nice.
There's a trail. Look at Kyle on top of the world.
I'm on top of something.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Weird twisted tree again. Kyle, did you say you think those are ponderosa pines?
I'm not sure if those are, but they might be.
Well, because I think that that's what's under like the bark. You know what I mean? Because none of these have bark on them.
That's true. Not sure.
Do these look all twisty? Not as much. I'm not sure what that is. But look at the branches. They're super twisted. So weird. Alright, look at these square rocks. What is this?
I don't know.
I bet my dad would know. Dad, comment. Let me know what this is. Kyle thinks it's magical. storm clouds brewing. But we also just came over another mountain and we have a new view of a bunch of weird rocks. A cool meadow. Look how glorious that cloud looks. Oh my god. Squiggly trees. Okay, I wanted to zoom in here. It's like, look. It's like sheer drops. We're entering the Sequoia National Park. I'm so excited. I didn't think we were going to go through this, so this is amazing.
Big trees.
Happy surprise. Big trees. Where are they? So we were just in a heat wave and now it's snowing. I don't understand it. Alright, we're going to Crabtree Meadow. That's where the Whitney Trail starts. Look at this nice PCT sign too. And this is why paper beats rock. One day this little tree is gonna split this giant boulder, I bet. It's so cute though. Look at it, it's so small.